Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss problems in exercise 1C in circles of intermediate second year mathematics. If you didn't watch previous videos regarding this chapter, you can go through our channel playlist. Let's start the video. The first question is on the board. Find the equation of circle with center 2, 3 and touching the line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Let us find the solution. Given that the center of the circle is 2, 3 and equation of a line is given, that is 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. Let us draw the diagram. So this is the required circle and center of the circle is 2, 3 and I am drawing a line which is touching the circle. The equation of this line is 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. So if you observe from the figure, the perpendicular distance from center to this line is nothing but the radius of the circle. If you know the center and radius, we can find the equation of the circle. So here what we have to find? We have to find the radius of the circle by using the given condition. Radius of the circle is nothing but the perpendicular distance from center to this line. So how we will find this distance? By using the formula. So what is that formula? If Px1 y1 is the point and equation of a line is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, then the perpendicular distance is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. That formula we have to use here. Here the point is nothing but the center, that is 2, 3 and the equation of the line is 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Substitute x1, y1 values here. x1, y1 is nothing but 2, 3. So mod of 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by square root of 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. So radius I am taking as smaller. R is equals to mod of 3 into 2 is 6 minus 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 divided by square root of the value of 3 square is 9 plus minus 4 whole square is nothing but plus 16. So R is equals to mod of 6 minus 12 is minus 6 plus 1 is 5. Mod of 5 divided by this is square root of 25. Square root of 25 value is plus 5. Mod of 5 divided by 5. From this we will get the value of R as plus 1. 5 ones 5. The radius of the required circle is 1. Now we know the center of the circle and also the radius of the circle. We can find the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle. Equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square when we know the center and radius of the circle. Here h comma k values are 2, 3 respectively and the value of r is 1. Those values we have to substitute in this formula. So x minus the value of h is 2 square plus y minus the value of k is 3 square is equals to 1 square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. We have to apply that formula here. So we will get x square plus 2 square is nothing but 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4. 4x we will get plus. Here also we have to apply a minus b whole square formula. A square means y square plus b square means 9 minus 2ab means 3 to 6. 6y we will get which is equals to 1 square value is 1. Now write x square and y square beside x square plus y square. Next x term that is minus 4x, y term minus 6y and 4 plus 9 is 13 plus 13. Here 1 is there. I am bringing that to left side. Minus 1 is equals to 0. Finally, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 12 is equals to 0. What is this? This is the equation of the circle which having its center as 2, 3 and touches a line 3x minus 4y plus 1 is equals to 0. Let us consider a different problem from this exercise. The question is find the equation of tangents of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 equals to 0 at the points whose ordinates are 1. Solution. Given that the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 is equals to 0, let us consider this equation as s. So, s is equals to x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 equals to 0. And what he has given? He has given that the ordinates of point of contact is 1. So, let us consider the point. Let us consider the point of contact as p x1 comma 1, because in the question he has mentioned that ordinates are 1. So, we don't know x coordinate, that is abscissa. Let us consider the abscissa as x1. So, according to the question, what we have to find? We have to find the tangents. So, equation of tangent at p x1 comma 1 we have to find. So, equation of a tangent formula is s1 equals to 0. S1 is equals to 0. S1 is nothing but x1 plus y1 minus, we can express 8x as minus 4 into x plus x1 minus 2y as y plus y1 plus 12 is equals to 0. So, we have to substitute x1, y1 values. Here x1 means x1 only and y1 value is nothing but 1. x1 plus y into, the value of y1 is 1 into 1 minus 4 into x plus x1 as it is we have to write minus y plus the value of y1 is 1 plus 12 is equals to 0. So, x1 into x plus y1 into y is y minus 4x, minus into plus is minus 4 into x1 is 4x1 minus y minus into plus minus 1 plus 12 is equals to 0. Now, x1 into x, here we have one more x term, that is minus 4x. I am taking x common, then what we will get here? x1 minus 4. From these two terms I am taking x common. And next to write down y terms. Here we have 1y, here we have 1y. So, plus y minus y gets cancelled and the remaining terms are constants. What are those? Here we have minus 4x1. So, minus 4x1 and the constant term minus 1 plus 12, that is nothing but plus 11 is equals to 0. What is this? This is the equation of the tangent to the given circle. S is equals to x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 12 equals to 0. So, it is a tangent means the perpendicular distance from center of this circle to this line should be equal to the radius of this circle. So, now what we have to find? We have to find the radius of the circle as well as the perpendicular distance from center to this line. Let us find the radius of the circle. So, before going to find, what we have to find? We have to find g value, f value and c value. So, we have to compare that in the general form of the circle. So, 2g is equals to minus h, 2 ones, 2 fours. So, from this we will get the value of g as minus 4 and find f value. So, 2f is equals to minus 2, 2f is equals to minus 2, 2 ones, 2 ones. So, we will get the value of f as minus 1. Now, we have to compare constants. Constant term we have 12. So, c is equals to 12. Now, we know the value of g, f and c. Now, we need to find the radius and perpendicular distance from center to this line. So, these two should be equal because this is a tangent to the circle. First of all, we need to find the center. Center is equals to minus g comma minus f, which is equals to minus g. Minus into minus is plus, plus 4 is the center x coordinate and f value is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus is plus 1. 4 comma 1 is the center of the circle. The radius of the circle should be equal to the perpendicular distance. So let us consider the radius as r should be equals to perpendicular distance. I am considering the perpendicular distance as CP. So here C is the center and P is a point on this line. So r is equals to Cp, find r value as well as Cp value. R value is square root of g square plus f square minus c is equals to, this is mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. Substitute g value, f value, c value in this formula. Square root of, the value of g is minus 4. So minus 4 whole square plus the value of f is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square, value of c is plus 12. So minus 12 is equals to mod of ax1. So here a means x1 minus 4. x1 minus 4 into, and the value of x1 is 4. Into 4, there is no y term in the equation of the line. So only constant term is there, that is minus 4x1 plus 11. Minus 4x1 plus 11 divided by square root of a value is nothing but x1 minus 4 whole square. There is no y quotient, that is 0. So here square root gets cancelled. Square root of minus 4 whole square is 16 plus minus 1 whole square is plus 1 minus 12 is equals to, let us multiply x1 minus 4 with 4. 4 into x1 is 4x1 minus 4 4 is 16 minus 4x1 plus 11 divided by x1 minus 4. So under root of 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 minus 12 is 5. Square root of 5 we will get, that equals to, here plus 4x1 minus 4x1 gets cancelled. Minus 16 plus 11 value is minus 5. Mod of minus 5 divided by x1 minus 4. So mod of minus 5 value is nothing but plus 5 only. Now square root of 5 into x1 minus 4 is equals to 5. Squaring on both sides. So we will get square root 5 in whole square into x1 minus 4 whole square is equals to 5 square. Square root gets cancelled. 5 into, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. We have to use that formula, x1 square plus 4 4 16 minus 4 2 is 8 8x1 is equals to 5 square. 5 once, this 5 gets cancelled. So x1 square minus 8x1 plus 16 is equals to 5, and x1 square minus 8x1 plus 16 minus 5 is equals to 0. Finally, the equation is x1 square minus 8x1 plus 16 minus 5 is plus 11 is equals to 0. Now we have to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Then we will get the value of x1. So x1 value if we will get the point of contact. So that is px1 comma y1. Now we have to find the roots of this equation by using x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a formula. So here x means x1. So x1 is equals to minus b. So minus b value is, we have minus 8. So minus into minus plus 8 plus or minus square root of the value of b is minus 8 minus 8 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is 1, x1 square quotient is 1 into the value of c, that is constant 11, divided by 2 into the value of a is 1. So x1 is equals to 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 whole square is plus 64, and minus 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 11 is minus 44, divided by 2, which is x1 is equals to 8 plus or minus square root of minus 8 whole square is plus 64 minus 4 ones are 4, 4 into 11 is 44 divided by 2. Now x1 is equals to 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 44 is nothing but 20 divided by 2. From this x1 is equals to 8 plus or minus square root of, we can express 20 as 4 into 5. 4 into 5 divided by 2. So x1 is equals to 8 plus or minus, we can express square root of 4 as 2. So 2 into root 5. 2 into root 5 by 2. From this, the value of x1 is equals to, in these two terms I am taking 2 common. After taking 2 common, we will get 4 plus or minus square root of 5 within the bracket divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Finally, the value of x1 is 4 plus or minus root 5. Therefore, the points are, let us consider the first point x1 comma 1 as 4 plus root 5. 4 plus root 5 comma 1. Let us consider the second point. Here we have x1 value as 4 minus root 5. I am considering that point as q x1 comma 1, which is equals to 4 minus root 5 comma 1. So at these 2 points we have to find the equation of the tangent. So case 1, point is p4 plus root 5 comma 1. At this point I want to find the equation of the tangent to the circle, that is x1 is equals to 0. So x1 plus y1 minus 4 into x plus x1 minus y plus y1 plus 12 is equals to 0. Substitute x1 y1 values. x1 y1 values are nothing but 4 plus root 5 comma 1 respectively. So x1 value is 4 plus root 5 into x plus the value of y1 is 1. 1 into y is y minus 4 into x plus x1 is 4 plus root 5 and minus y plus y1 value is 1 plus 12 is equals to 0. So 4 into x is 4x plus root 5x plus y. This is minus 4x minus 4 4s are 16 and minus 4 root 5 minus y minus 1 plus 12 is equals to 0. We have to simplify this equation, and if you observe, 4x plus 4x minus 4x gets cancelled, and here we have only one x term, that is square root of 5x, and y term plus y minus y gets cancelled and there is no y term, and constant is minus 4 root 5 minus 16 minus 1 is minus 17 minus 17 plus 12 is minus 5. So minus 5 is equals to 0. I am taking root 5 common. So after taking root 5 common, we will get x minus 4, and here root 5 is there. We can express this as root 5 into root 5. So we will get here square root of 5, which is equals to 0. Now I am sending root 5 to right hand side. We will get x minus 4 minus root 5 is equals to 0 by root 5 is nothing but 0. We can express this as x is equals to 4 plus root 5. What is this? This is the equation of the tangent at the point P, 4 plus root 5 comma 1. Case 2. In case 2, the point is Q, 4 minus root 5 comma 1. At this point we have to find the equation of the tangent, that is nothing but s1 is equals to 0. s1 is equals to 0 means x1 plus y1 and minus 4 into x plus x1 minus of y plus y1 plus 12 is equals to 0. x1 value is 4 minus root 5. So 4 minus root 5 into x plus y into y1 value is 1 minus 4 into x plus the value of x1 is 4 minus root 5 minus the value of y1 is 1 plus 12 is equals to 0. So now multiply 4 minus root 5 with x, 4x minus root 5x plus y minus 4x minus 16 minus into minus plus 4 root 5 and minus y minus 1 plus 12 is equals to 0. Plus 4x minus 4x gets cancelled. Here we have minus root 5x plus y minus y gets cancelled. Next constant terms. Here we have plus 4 root 5 and minus 16 minus 1 is minus 17. Minus 17 plus 12 is minus 5 is equals to 0. And from these three terms, so I want to take minus root 5 common. So minus root 5 I am taking out. Here we will get x minus 4 and we can express 5 as root 5 into root 5. So we already took root 5 out. So here we will get root 5. So already we took minus out means we will get plus root 5 is equals to 0. So we need to send minus root 5 to RHS side. So 0 by something is 0. So finally x minus 4 plus root 5 is equals to 0 is the equation of the tangent. So if you want to send the constant on right side, we can send. So x is equals to 4 minus root 5 is the equation of the tangent at 4 minus root 5 comma 1 to the given circle. So these two are the required tangents to the circle.